Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming mobile data is active and you're within coverage. Open Settings, tap Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. This puts you where to enable sharing. Once done, tap Mobile Hotspot to see current name and password. Make sure to check data limits and battery level because hotspots use power and data fast. If you plan to share often, pick a clear SSID so devices find it quickly. Next, we'll configure security and tethering options to control access and performance. Now configure the hotspot. Tap Configure or Edit and set a recognizable name and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so strangers can't join. Then choose the AP band, use 4 GHz for wider range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds when your devices support it. Set a device limit and enable timeout to save battery. Once settings are saved, toggle the hotspot on. Make sure Bluetooth and USB tethering options are visible if you prefer alternative tethering methods for specific devices. With settings ready, turn the mobile hotspot on and connect a device with the SSID and password you set. For USB tethering, plug a cable into a computer and enable USB tethering in the same menu. The phone will share its mobile connection directly. Once devices connect, monitor data usage in settings so you avoid overages. If it fails, first toggle mobile data off and on, reboot the phone, and verify APN settings. That single troubleshooting step resolves most carrier or network handoff problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.